In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a Google Docs file with access control when you need to collaborate without losing control of your content. Google Docs makes it straightforward to decide who can see your file, who can comment, and who can make changes, and it lets you prevent others from resharing or downloading your work. Start by opening your document and clicking the Share button in the top right corner. This opens the sharing dialog where all the access controls live. In the field that says Add People or Groups, type the names of teammates or the name of a Google group if you manage access through group membership. Next to each person or group, choose a role. Viewer means they can read the document but can't change it. Commenter lets them leave comments and suggestions but not edit the main text. Editor grants full editing rights. Pick the lowest level that still lets people do their job. It keeps your file safer and your revision history cleaner. If you like, add a short note so recipients know what the document is about. Before you send anything, click the small gear icon at the top right of the dialog to tighten permissions. Uncheck editors can change permissions and share. This prevents anyone with edit rights from inviting others or altering the roles you've set, so ownership stays with you. Then uncheck viewers and commenters can download, print, and copy. This keeps people from exporting or duplicating the file outside Google Docs. They can still open and read it online, but they won't be able to take a copy with them. Now you're ready to share. If you've addressed specific people or a group, click Send to deliver the invitation and your note. If you prefer to distribute access with a link, click Copy Link and paste it into your chat or email. Choose one method or the other based on how tightly you want to control who gets in. Direct invitations are best for sensitive information. Links are convenient for wider distribution within a team. That's it. Share, assign the right roles, lock down the two advanced options, and send or copy the link. With these settings, you collaborate efficiently while keeping your document secure and under your control. A quick tip before we wrap up. Choose the least privileged role that still lets people contribute, and lean on groups when you're sharing with a team so access stays consistent. Revisit the gear settings each time you share a new document since these controls are set per file and help prevent accidental leaks.